Hello there, let's talk today about the Wyze Cam version 3 SD card installation. As you can see, I have my Wyze camera and my cell phone, and the camera is working. Okay, it's live right now. But if I come here to view playback, I also have some recordings here. Okay, if I play back things that I was testing before here, I have a playback. Okay, can go backwards or forwards, so just need to look for the recordings, and I can find it here because I have an SD card. Okay, to install the SD card, the best way, the safest way is to turn off the camera first. So here I'm gonna turn it off. Let me just remove here from power. Here we go. So my camera's off right now, and let me just click here to see live stream, which I will not have anymore because the camera is no longer connected, but that's okay. And down here I can see this is locked for the SD card. Let me just open here, the SD card is locked. And here you see my SD card. It's a micro SD card. Let me just click here to remove it so I can show you. Here we go. That's the way you insert the SD card. Let me just show the model here so you can see which one I use. Let me just get some focus here so you can see there's a SanDisk Extreme 128 gigabytes U3. So that's a good card for this camera. Then you insert that way, okay? This part here is facing the front of the camera. And you start that way and you just push it until you hear a click, and then you close. Then you just put your camera back here. See, it's still trying to connect. Then I just need to plug my camera again to the power supply and just wait for a while, right? So the camera is going to boot up. It takes usually 30 to 40 seconds. And the next step is come here to the settings, look for the SD card, make sure it's there. And you can format the SD card, and you can also select the way it's going to record in the SD card, right? So pretty easy. So connection failed right now because the camera is still booting up. Let me just refresh here and see if it's connected and wait for a while. Okay, so here I don't have the image of the camera. Let me just come back here and click again. And now it's up. Good, okay. Come here to the settings, and on advanced settings, and then I can find the record to micro SD card. Options are continuous and events only, okay, which is better. This one is selected now and it's enabled here, so I can record, the camera can record into the SD card. You can also click on manage micro SD card just to check the micro SD card that you have, the capacity. You can format the SD card, just click here, format on the first time that you're connecting the card, and you're good to go, right? So pretty easy. Just come back here to the main screen. And something also important here is detection settings. Okay, you can adjust the sensitivity here, low, or the sound detection sensitivity if you're recording by events like sound, for example. You can just select this here as well. And event recording, detect motion and detect sound, if that's the way you want to record. So every time there's motion or sound, it triggers the recording, okay? So now I have live view here, and then I can also select the view playback. So live, the camera always takes a while to respond. See, that's normal, a little latency because of the network. And here I can click playback, just wait for it to load, and then I can find here based on the calendar every day that I have here and the recordings that I have here as well, okay? So I'm gonna see based on days. If I select here day 2, today for example, day 3, day 4, as long as I have recording, I'm gonna see them here, okay? Just come to playback and can see them here. And then I just to select what I want, and I see on green different part of the day with recording, and I'm good to go. Okay, so pretty easy. So that's the way you install an SD card on a Wyze Cam version 3. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.